QR codes are transforming how real estate professionals share property listings. With a quick scan, clients can instantly access photos, property details, and your BoldTrail website, making it easier to stay engaged and informed. In this BoldTrail short, you'll learn how to generate a QR code for any listing in your BoldTrail platform and how to use them effectively in your business. Be sure to check out the step-by-step guide below this lesson to generate one yourself. QR codes empower clients to access property details on the go. Recent reports show engagement starting from QR code-initiated journeys see a 37% higher click-through rate. A QR code, or quick response code, is a scannable image that instantly links to digital content using a smartphone camera. In real estate, agents often use QR codes on property flyers, yard signs, listing presentations, social media posts, and open house materials to direct buyers to online listings. Incorporate QR codes into your property flyers and all your printable marketing materials. This not only modernizes your approach, but also attracts tech-savvy clients who appreciate innovation in real estate. It also reduces the time between interest and action, making the buying process smoother and more efficient for everyone involved. Now it's your turn. Showcase your tech savviness on all your marketing materials. Use the step-by-step guide below to see how easy it is to generate a QR code for a listing using BoldTrail.